Now I will show you the common problem that you do learning and it's fault. Why it happens? Why it happens? It happens because on this gearbox I have fixed it, but I want to show you. It was sometimes not put in the reverse. This nut sometimes not hold good this plate. It's like look. Not little more. It hold but not good. Sometimes it in this state, you see, it's little moving. This moving. This do problem, and the TCM cannot do learning good. This, so you need to remove the sensor, check if this plate has clearance. If it has, you need to screw this nut. Just be careful, it's very small, and you can, oh, you see, it engaged some gear, and this is this reverse. Okay, no problem. So I close it, and now it's okay. You can return this by screwdriver on this. How to do it? Or maybe try. Now it's not easy. Oh, it's coming, and will help with screwdriver. Oh, oh. Okay. That's all video about the sensors.